Today we released a feature for Hedy called Topics. This is something a lot of you have been asking for a long time, and we're super excited to add it to the Hedy app. Topics allows you to take sessions and group them together into natural folders, topics, categories, whatever you want to call it. Basically, some sort of logical grouping that makes sense for your use case. So topics will show up as a new navigation item in the Hedy app moving forward. Once you click into there, you have the ability to view your topics and create new topics. I'm going to go ahead and start a session. You'll see that I now have the ability to select a topic. The reason this matters is because once a topic is selected and I'm in the session, it now will use that topic as a reference for all the conversations that we're going to have with Hedy. The reason that matters is because now that Hedy knows that this session is part of the topic, it looks at all the other sessions that are part of that topic as part of the chat, as part of creating summaries, and it allows Hedy to provide you way more insight than just what's happening in the current conversation. So let's go ahead and try this. So I just added this session to one of the existing topics here that has about a dozen sessions in it from previous conversations. So I can now, even though I just started the session, I can go and I can dig into a lot of historical knowledge about this topic. So even though I just started this session, it already has all the historical knowledge from all the other sessions in this topic. So I can start the chat with, what meetings has Josh been part of? And it will find all the previous sessions that Josh was part of. I can say, what dates were we looking at for the final review meeting? And it goes through all the sessions and it finds all the back and forth that was there and gives you a cohesive answer with all the knowledge from all the previous sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the session here. And let's take you into a topic. So when you create a new topic, you can see you can assign it a custom color, an icon. You can put a description in here. I'm going to give it calendar and make it purple. So let me click into an actual topic here. You'll see that it shows you an overview of everything that has been happening within this topic. You get a list of all the sessions, so you can easily reference any session. You can click into them. You also have a permanent chat on this topic where you can ask questions about any of the sessions in the topic. This feature is a pro feature. It does add a lot of additional effort from an LLM querying perspective, so this is reserved for our paying users. But for you power users out there that have been looking forward to this, I hope you enjoy this feature and you get a lot of value from it.